हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Guys, today we are going to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of India. This is a gala day of India. It's a later day of India, and we know how much this day is important for India. It is true that we have traveled for the last 77 years when we got the independence under the leadership of many patriot guys, including Gandhi ji, Netaji Bose, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Sardar Patel, and there are so many guys who have given their enough contributions which we can never forget, because these are the people who gave lots of things because of which we are speaking, and these guys are celebrating with their national flags, which are the symbols of pride, growth, prosperity of India. So guys, it is true that Independence Day is now the different Independence Day because we are liberated, and now we are no longer going to blame the Britishers for what they did. Rather, we have to accept our own accountability and responsibility for whatever we are doing today. Today I am happy to see that our country, India, is growing in the field of science and technology. It is growing in the field of economy. It is growing in the field of education, and it is growing in the field of sports also. All these things are possible because we have become the most populous country of the world, and our spirits are ahead than many people of the world, because we want peace for the world. We want prosperity for the world. So our vision is very different than most of the countries of the world. We always think not only the welfare of India, but we also think for the welfare of the whole nation. That is the beauty of India. That is the region सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. And that is the reason we feel proud of our nation, we feel proud of our country, and many people who give their great services to the growth of the country, our lots of leaders, our many scientists, many doctors, engineers, and government servants who have been giving their enormous contribution to make India the rich, that is the best part of India. And I think in coming days, these youths of India will make India proud, who are wearing the pride of India, that is the tricolors, national flags, and these things will definitely embolden them to go for the best in their life, and that would automatically help India to grow very powerful in different walks of the life. So guys, today is the Independence Day. We have to be truly independent from our mind, where we have to think of our own responsibility towards the country, our own actions towards the growth of the country, to the prosperity of humanity, the prosperity of the mankind, and that would be the real independence, when we not only think of us, but we think of other peoples as well. And that is the beauty of life, that is the beauty of human existence, and that is the thing God also gives message to the entire humanity, entire people, to do their best for enjoying the real independence. So this time I am not going to blame the Britishers. Rather, I believe that all we Indians should take our own responsibility for where we stand today, and we have to give our best to make our country happy, as well as we have to think for the other countries as well, as some of our leaders have given lots of importance to the other countries during the distressing time. That was a very good thing for our country, and that is the reason I say सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. पूरे दुनिया में हमारा देश सबसे बेहतर देश है, और यही कारण है कि हम अपने वतन से काफ़ी प्यार करते हैं. ये सारे लोग जो भारत के हिस्से हैं, ये भी अपने देश से काफ़ी प्यार करते हैं. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं समाप्त करना चाहता हूँ. वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद, जय भारत.